plan title block, it is expedient to create this to be reusable. In order to achieve this, the intelligent text objects we have discussed earlier come in very handy. And again, you can convert the text using that command. These particular objects are referring to the constants we have set in the settings menu. Referring can be done by the $signs. We need to place the elements which make up the plan title box to the BC-PLX layer. So it will be visible both in the rollout plan and in the overview plan as well. On top of this, we can use such elements that change dynamically based on what we have set in the viewport settings. For example, this $TY is referring to an overview plan, but if we go into the viewport settings and change that to a rollout and press OK, and then we can see it has been automatically changed. Such is this text here. So these kind of texts change dynamically based on the viewport settings.